Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the draw function in Cricut Design Space. This is a really handy tool to use because it is super easy and it looks really nice when finished. We're going to start by getting some text and choosing a font. While there are certain fonts you can download made especially for drawing, these regular fonts will work fine too. The only difference is that these fonts will only draw an outline around your text. You want to make sure that the font you chose is not too complicated, or else the machine will take a long time to draw. Once that's done, you'll click on the bar that says Line Type, and then change it to Draw. Then you'll click on the color box right next to it, and you can change the drawing tool in the color. While this is not necessary, I recommend doing this because it makes it easier for you if you're using multiple colors by telling you which to put in first. If you want to draw an image, you'll follow the same steps after uploading an image. You'll change that to draw and change the color. If you want to cut around your text or image, then you can get a shape or an image, and since it's already uncut, just change the color to match the color of your paper if you want it to be easier. You can resize this as you need and send it to the back. Then you can attach those. When you go to make it, the machine will tell you which tool to put in, and then it'll draw and then cut around it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.